Every color has an associated emotion that is coded into our brain. The most common ones are red for danger, orange for warning, green for safe or go. How is this association developed is not the topic of our video, but how can we take advantage of it in Excel is our topic. For example, in case of a student mark list, any subject with score lower than pass value needs attention. Giving a red background to it will do the job. In case of a medical test report, any parameter out of the normal range needs the doctor's attention. A change in the background color or the font color can do it. Now the good part is that we can make this automatic in Excel. It's a simple functionality called conditional formatting. In this video, we'll look at conditional formatting based on text and number conditions. For those who are new to this channel, this is Riaz Abu. Welcome to Upskill. It's all about Excel, Word, PowerPoint and VBA. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notification on new videos. Without any further delay, let's look at conditional formatting with an example. On screen is a summary of marks obtained by the students of 10th B. We have the students' information, the mark obtained in 6 subjects by these students, 2 language subjects and 4 non-language subjects, the result column with the total value and pass-fail. We also have a pass-fail criteria table. Each subject is out of 100 marks. The pass criteria for the 2 language subject is more than or equal to 50. If the score is below 50, it's a fail. The pass criteria for the 4 non-language subject is equal to or more than 35. The mark obtained below 35 is a fail. Now the task for us is to highlight the cell background with light red color if the pass criteria is not met. That is a fail. Now the cells should be filled with light green color if the pass criteria is met. We need to do this for the individual subjects and also the total. Also in the result column, the cells with fail to be filled with dark red color and the cells with pass to be filled with dark green color. Now let's start selecting the language columns together, as these two have the same pass-fail criteria. In the Style sub-tab, clicking on the Conditional Formatting drop-down button, let's select the first category, Highlight Cell Rules. We have few options in this category. Our requirement is to change the background to red if the mark is less than the criteria value. So let's select the less than option. A window pops up. There are 2 things that is being asked in this window. First, less than what value we should format the cell. As per the pass-fail criteria, it is 50 for language. So let's type 50. Now the second question is, what type of formatting should be done? By default, it gives light red fill with dark red text. Well, the light red fill is fine for me, but I still want the black font. So let's explore the drop-down further. We have option with light red fill alone. So let's select that and click OK. Here it is. All the marks below 50 is highlighted in red. Now let's do the same for non-language subjects. The only difference is that pass-fail criteria value, here it is less than 35. And let's select light red and OK. Okay, now let's do the same with the total. Here the criteria value is 300, so less than 300 and OK. Let's do it now to perform the conditional formatting for the pass criteria. Let's start with the language subjects first. Selecting the cells with the language subject marks. Clicking the conditional formatting drop-down button. Selecting the first category. Here the criteria for pass is more than or equal to 50. We have greater than option and also equal to option, but these are separate. So let's do the greater than first. The value is 50 and the format we want is light green fill. Well, we don't have light green here in the drop-down. So let's go to the custom format. Let's select the fill tab in the new window. Okay, let's now choose the light green from the given colors. This will do the job. Okay, OK again. Here you go. We have light green fill in all the cells above 50 marks. But we still have those with 50 marks without any color. This should be green as the pass criteria is greater than or equal to 50. Let's do that now. Selecting the language subjects again. Conditional formatting, in the first category, the fourth option equal to, let's set the value to 50. Let's select the custom formatting, light green and OK and OK. Here you go. Now let's do the same for the non-language subjects and the total value. Now let's perform conditional formatting for the pass-fail column. In the previous columns, the value in the cells were numbers, but in this column, the value is a string. As per the requirement, the cells with a string pass should have a background dark green fill, and any cell with the string fail should have a dark red fill. Now let's select the pass-fail column. Click the conditional formatting drop-down button. In the first category, we have the option text that contains. Excel by default took the first text in the range. Now let's change the formatting as we want dark red. Let's select this color. Great. Now let's do the same for pass. It's dark green here. Great, we are done here. Now understand that these formattings are called conditional formatting rules. These rules are kind of live. That is, if I change the value and if the condition result has changed, the color fill will also change. So if I change the English mark for Riyas from 24 to 54, the color just changed from red to green. This is same for all the cells now. If you want to see these rules in a specific cell or range, just select the cell or range and go to the conditional formatting drop-down menu. Click on Manage Rules. The Conditional Formatting Rules Manager window will be opened. First, we have a drop-down menu here where we can select to view the rules for the selection or the entire worksheet. Well, let's just select the selection option. Below that, we have actions such as new rules, edit rules, delete rules, duplicate rules, etc. Below that, the 3 rules that we have assigned to these cells are shown. If I double click any of the rule, the edit formatting rule window will be open. Here we can change the rules entirely by simply changing the selection. For example, this rule is for pass criteria equal to 50. I can simply click the drop-down menu and change the condition to greater than, or I can change the value here from 50 to 40. Below that, we have the option to change the format. Let's change it to dark green and see. Here you go. Everything equal to 50 is dark green now. Well, that's about conditional formatting of cells based on numbers and text. I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. With this, let's wind up the video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. If you like the course, please support by liking the video and sharing them with your friends. To get update on future videos, please subscribe the channel.